Welcome to 5:30 in the morning. My itinerary changed a little bit. So lucky for me, I don't actually have to be in Revy till 5. What did I say? I don't have to be in Revy till 5? No, I gotta be in Revy at noon. I'm tired. Got the last of my stuff geared up. Bag's ready to go. Just gotta put on my backpack. We will be in Revelstoke at noon. Revelstoke in the summer. Not something I get to see very often. Before we leave, let's go ahead and do this. Let's see how many miles we put on. .30 in Canmore. I'm running, I would say probably at least an hour and a half ahead of schedule, which is fine, because the temperature hasn't left 6 above since I left Sundre. So yeah, it's been a little bit cold the whole way, and I would say I'm dressed fairly well. Still got a little bit of a core chill, but I get a coffee, warm up, and still probably show up an hour early in Revelstoke. And of course, you can't drive the roads in BC in the summer without running into a whole bunch of construction along the way. But where are we now? We are not too far away from 10 Mile Hill. It's warmed up a lot. It's like 12 above or something. I think it was the bike day. 13. So I'm not freezing my ass off anymore, at least. What time is it?
It's riding time.
It's riding time.
Riding time.
At Revelstoke, we are now at the ferry to head to the cusp.
Life jackets for adults and children are stowed in clearly marked boxes adjacent to the muster station and will be distributed by the crew if needed.
Isn't this beautiful? Well, the original plan was to be in the cusp at noon. It's probably 2 o'clock by now, and we're just crossing on the ferry. We're gonna get to ride some, what is it, New Denver to Caslo or something like that. The road I hear a lot about, and I finally get to ride it. Maybe I'll even throw on the GoPro too. There's kids everywhere.
You can do whatever you want. Ken can put his tent under there, and your bikes, the picnic table and benches are there now, but you can haul them out or do whatever you want.
So that's which one?
After a long day of riding, we've arrived at beautiful Toad Rock. We only stay at the finest Hilton Resort. So let's check out the digs. No power, no electricity. But hey, 3 beds. That's not bad. What are you doing? Camp dog.
Jim.
Is this Jim?
We were asked to go find Jim. Took us a while to find this, but we did ask the first guy walking up the road if his name was Jim. And it was Jim. So it was a pretty easy game.
Well, I meant to vlog basically everything yesterday, but after we got to Toad Rock, things got out of control so fast. I was drinking shots out of pistons and having cigars and all sorts of screwed up stuff. For this video here, I'll actually show you guys around the campground since I'm actually in okay shape today, but yeah, things got out of hand a little too fast last night for me to actually put together a full video and actually even remember to upload. But yep, here we are, Mater. Quite the interesting place if you've never been here. I'll tell you one thing, if you're a virgin to Toad Rock Campground, you're in for a lot of fun. You're in for a fun night, let's just say. Everywhere from drinking Fireball out of pistons to ringing the Virgin Bell and looking for something named Jim. I'll try to remember to upload. Thanks everybody for watching. See you in the next video.